welcome back to AWS On Air. My name is Aaron Hunter, a senior technical trainer with AWS Training and Certification. If you're just watching us, just getting back, this is live from reInvent 2022 in Las Vegas, and here we're going to talk about Cloud Quest. Is that right?
That's right,
with my buddy Curtis. Curtis, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Curtis Morton. I'm a senior product manager with the game-based learning products team.
Nice. So Curtis is here with the game-based learning products team to talk about Cloud Quest. But let's go ahead and talk about what Cloud Quest is first for those who maybe don't know about the product.
Sure, Aaron. So Cloud Quest is a role-playing game that teaches you how to build solutions on AWS. It's a 3D game. It works in your browser, and you can get access to it from AWS Skill Builder.
So that's really cool, and it's really easy. It's just aws.skillbuilder.com or skillbuilder.aws.
Either way, it works. You can Google it. Hey, if you Google Cloud Quest, you'll find it, and it'll get you right to it.
Search the internet for for Cloud Quest. Search it for Skill Builder. And what I like about Cloud Quest is we can get badges and everything too, but
yes.
You're not here to talk about that, even though I really want to.
Right.
Don't shut me down too soon, Curtis. But what was the problem before we created Cloud Quest to help our learners learn?
Well, our customers learn in different ways, Aaron. So some customers prefer a more traditional style of learning where they're more passively listening to videos or watching a lecture, and that's fine. But with AWS Cloud Quest and some of our other game-based products, we immerse the customer into the learning experience with a game-based interactive experience where you become an active participant in your learning journey.
That's so cool. And my favorite part about the whole thing is that you immerse yourself in the experience. And,
right.
And I've played Cloud Quest a lot myself, and I've lost so many hours from it. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
But what can customers expect when they start playing Cloud Quest? I won't spill the beans here. I love the product so much. But yeah.
So customers can expect to learn a lot of hands-on solution building knowledge. There's over 85 solutions that you can build in Cloud Quest. There's over 100 puzzles, 500 quizzes and challenges, and much, much more. You can earn a badge for each solution that you build, and there's over actually there's exactly 6 learning paths now because we just released data analytics. So we have Cloud Practitioner, Solutions Architect, Machine Learning, Security, Serverless Developer, and now we have data analytics.
Oh my gosh, Curtis, I already had the 5, okay?
Yes.
You give me more homework to go out and get the data analytics badge.
Now you have to get another badge.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do that this weekend.
You probably can. I know you're really into it.
So with that, Cloud Quest is really geared towards individual learners, is that right?
Yes.
And what if I have a team?
So this is a great question, Aaron, and I think I have an answer that will be perfect for learning managers or technical administrators. So we have a suite of special features just for them that we created, where you can create special learning paths for employees that you want to onboard, or if you have a specific group of learning that you want a group of people to take, you can guide them to that as well. And I'm going to demo that in a second if you'd let me.
Yeah, go for it. You said demo. That's my wake word, okay?
Yes.
So let's go ahead and jump into that if you're ready.
All right. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go to where you can get Cloud Quest.
Okay.
So Skill Builder is the destination. So you go to Skill Builder.
I see it there. We don't even have to search it. It's skillbuilder.aws.
This is the practitioner version, which is completely free. If you're curious about Cloud Quest, start here.
Okay.
You can take the practitioner version for free of cost. If
you keep saying free, it's another wake word of mine.
I know.
Right. Demo, free, okay.
I like free too. But if you wanted more, if you want all of the 6 roles, Skill Builder subscription, either a team or an individual subscription. So let's get into the Cloud Quest world. And here I am.
I see why you said fully immersed.
Yes.
I feel fully immersed already.
You see that? There's giraffes, there's people walking. You are a part of this virtual world. This is your job. You get to see what it's like to be a solutions architect or a practitioner, whatever role you choose.
Security engineer.
Yes.
A data analyst.
Data analyst. We have that just on Monday.
I know.
We released that on Monday. All right. So let me get into how this works. So you start off with an avatar. You can create your own persona, any style that you want. Right?
Even with the green hat.
Even with the green hat. I like green hats. So you can randomize your character and get different options. So
okay.
all sorts of options.
So if you're a developer, I saw one with a hoodie. Because we know
Exactly.
developers love
Well,
hoodies.
don't stereotype developers, please.
I mean,
okay?
we're at reInvent. We give away hoodies. There's developer.
All right.
I can do it.
I guess you'll get away with that. So you choose your character, and the next thing that you do is you choose a role, and you do that at the roles map. So in the roles map, it gives you all of the roles in the game. So we have cloud practitioner, we have solutions architect, we have analytics. If I choose cloud practitioner, a different group of assignments comes on the map, and it shows the learning objectives of each of these assignments.
So we have cloud aisle, there's like security.
Exactly.
Okay.
And if I choose machine learning, a different part of the map is highlighted, and there's more over here. So there's different assignments just for machine learning.
That's really cool.
So what are these assignments for? The people in this city need these assignments to solve their business problems.
Got it.
And how are you going to solve those problems, Aaron?
One challenge at a time.
With
I don't
AWS
know.
solutions that you have to build, okay? You have to build these solutions on AWS.
Okay.
So you choose a role, and I'm gonna stick with data analytics since we just launched that.
Okay. And we're talking about the solutions and building the solutions and so forth.
Yes.
And these different dots on the map are probably representing a solution.
That's correct.
Okay.
That is absolutely correct.
And if I wanted to get the badges and complete all the different challenges,
We're going to get to the badges, Aaron.
I'm so excited about the badges, Curtis.
Just calm down a little bit. All right, so now where do I get my solutions? I go to my phone, of course. They're right here in my phone.
On the bottom right-hand corner.
Exactly.
Got it.
So I have serverless foundations, I have data lakes, but I'm going to do serverless foundations to begin. And what that does, it takes me into a virtual place called the Solution Center.
Okay.
Makes sense, right? So the first thing you do is learn about that solution. So we give you step-by-step guidance on how this solution works. So we explain everything. You can also watch
So
video.
I'm learning and learning and learning before doing.
Before you do it, you got to learn about it, right?
Okay.
So then you go to the videos. If you want more about the services, you can watch the videos. They're optional. You can come back later if you already have the knowledge, right? So
Or you can go ahead and watch it if you don't.
Exactly.
I mean, yeah.
It's up to you. It's your path. Then you learn what's next, the tasks that you have to complete.
Okay.
You have a practice section and you have a do-it-yourself. You have to complete these two tasks.
Okay.
But here's where the building begins, and this is where the magic happens. Aaron, magic.
Magic.
I'm going to show you some magic. So, in the game itself, right, we give you step-by-step instructions, okay, on how to build this solution
Just
with
step by
pictures.
step.
With pictures.
But I don't want to do this in my own account, Curtis.
You just relax. We're going to get there.
Okay.
We're going to get there.
It sounds expensive.
It's not. It's
Okay.
not. Trust me.
All right.
So, I'm building. I'm following these steps. So how do I build this? If I click
One
this
step
button,
at a time.
Yes, but if I click this button, open AWS console, look what happens. It provisions automatically.
Not in my account.
Not in your account.
Okay.
Completely automated. Do not use your own AWS account, Aaron.
Because that sounds expensive.
Do not do that.
Okay.
We do it for you.
Okay, so you use the provisioned account.
Worry-free, risk-free environment. There you go.
Perfect.
So then you can start building.
And that's account's free.
That is completely free.
Worry-free, risk-free, account-free.
Free.
Okay.
So
I like
then,
that.
when you get to the end, you build that solution. That's not all. You have to build a second part.
But wait, there's more.
There's more.
Okay.
In the do-it-yourself section, you have to build something on your own without those guided steps.
Let's see, it says validate. What does that mean?
Well, you have to make sure that you paid attention to that practice section.
You're asking me to pay attention?
Yes.
Oh, that you're asking a
so
lot.
we validate that you've been paying attention.
Okay.
And we build another part without those guided steps.
Cool.
And then you have to validate your solution. And you know what the game does? It checks your solution to see if you did it correctly.
It can tell me if I'm lying or not.
It can tell you, well, I didn't say that. But it can tell you if you did it correctly.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to validate this solution, Aaron. Let's see if I did this correctly. All right, so I'm going to go to my Lambda function.
Okay.
And it's going to ask me for something from my solution. So in this case, I need the ARN, the Amazon resource name.
Okay.
For my Lambda function.
You can get that right there in the console.
I'm going to copy it. There, it's in the console. This is the real console.
Yeah.
Not the fake console. This is a real one.
Not in your account.
Not in my account.
Okay.
Not in my account.
In the free lab account.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay.
So I'm going to paste it here. Let me see.
And
Paste
it
that
knows which ARN it's looking for.
because it's checking my solution, Aaron.
Got it.
So I'm going to validate. It's validating my solution.
And?
Validating my solution.
And while it's doing this.
There it is. I did it correctly.
It actually tells you that. You did it.
I did it.
Okay.
And guess what happens next? What happens next, Aaron?
You exit, and
I get to collect my rewards.
Oh my gosh.
So let's collect rewards real quickly.
Okay, let's do that. Collect.
Collect, thank you, this is great. I deliver results. What should I choose?
You know what? Let's go ahead and go with the fun one. Because we're here at reInvent, we have replay on Thursday. Let's do the carnival one in the middle.
This one?
The festival one. Yes, right there.
All right, let's collect it.
Because there's games upstairs at reInvent. There's games at replay on Thursday. But you know what? Let's do the games there.
Makes total sense. And look, fireworks.
And this is game-based learning. So yeah.
Fireworks, Aaron. You're missing it.
Oh my! I didn't miss it. I saw it.
Oh my God.
It's so amazing.
So I've reached a new builder level. My city is getting better. I'm gaining knowledge.
Yes.
This is amazing.
Congratulations.
Right? All these gems, I can transform my city with the knowledge that I'm getting.
What do you do with the gems?
You buy stuff. In the game only. In the game only.
Okay.
So what I want to talk about quickly is how you can now customize your learning.
Okay.
And we're going to do that very fast, okay? So instead of following a path, you can make your own learning paths, and this is for learning managers or technical leaders in a company that want to train groups of people. So I can create my own custom learning paths. So if I go to this learning path creator, I'm going to do that now. This is my path that I created earlier.
Curtis path, got it.
Let's choose that and customize that path, and I'm going to edit it.
Okay.
Let's do that. And here's the learning path creator inside of the game, Aaron.
Which is really cool. It seems pretty simple.
It's simple. So what this does, instead of following a predetermined path, I can mix and match all of the assignments and put them in any order, and then assign them to a specific group of people.
Each solution.
Well, each path.
Yeah.
So all of these solutions in this path, I can assign to a group of people. Let me show you. So here's all the assignments.
And while you're doing that, so now you can have an individual that's a member of a team, and then have team-based learning.
I'm going to delete this from the path, and I'm going to add in streaming, and I'm going to connect it here, and I'm going to connect it here. So that's my new learning path.
Got it.
So I'm saving it, publish, and here's the magic. More magic is coming. More magic is coming.
More magic.
Okay, I've published the path. Now it's going to ask me if I want to assign it to a group. Yes.
Yes.
And this is the power. So people can join a group and get this path. And look, there's a group already there.
Get access to the path and then start studying together.
Exactly.
That's perfect.
Perfect customized learning for groups of learning. Great for onboarding. Great for specialized learning content.
They can do it from anywhere in the comfort of their own home. But what if they're here at reInvent?
They can do it at reInvent. If they have a laptop, just pull out your laptop, log into Skill Builder, access Cloud Quest. You need a team subscription, however, for these features.
But Cloud Quest in general at reInvent, we know reInvent's all about swag. So is there any swag that they can get?
Oh, I think there is, Aaron.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, show me.
Bam!
That's cool. That's cool, Curtis. I see you have another one over here for me.
I do.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes. So if you want to earn this special swag item, all you have to do is sign on to Cloud Quest. If you're here at reInvent, complete the first assignment, and then you'll get a code. Come see me in Level 2, Titan 2201B.
In the Venetian.
In the Venetian,
yes.
And you will get this swag item.
All right. Curtis, thank you so much for being here from the Cloud Quest team and game-based learning, game-based development. And from all of us here at AWS On Air, thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for more.
All right. Thank you.